Uy, senior. Or ID na, ID talaga. Ano na ID? Lahat ng ID.
O, lahat na lang daw ng ID.
Babalik na lang po mamaya.
Sige.
Gagawin natin, senior. Para in case na maghanap, wala na po kami yung tawag-tawagin.
Tama.
Malagos Garden Resort. Sen, ayaw niya sa picture. Nag-smile. Sabi niya hi.
Pila ba medyo rin nag-activity sa video? Parang medyo ano po.
Suto.
Kasagaran niya ito. May dalang kauna na ito. May nagapuan.
Wala ka makakakita dito.
Bird show will start on 10 a.m. So, we're waiting. Mga 5 minutes na lang before 10. So, mag-start na siya mga kalangkan. Hindi mo taman, baba.
The person greatly responsible for all of this, Dr. Roberto Bo Fuentespina Jr., is a veterinarian with a passion.
Okay, now as you can see, our preschooler ducks and people chickens have already went inside their classrooms, right? Wow! Nakapag-racing na rin tayo. In that our class is about to start. Now, mabuhay madayaw. My name is Mr. J. I'm actually one of your hosts in this 40-minute nature discovery experience. Now today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a lot about birds, nature, culture, and hopefully, at the end of this show, a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. And I'm happy to see because I noticed we have a lot of kids present this morning. May mga estudyante tayo. Kaway-kaway naman sa ating mga estudyante dyan. Ayan. Oh, pati yung... But it's okay because actually, all of us are going to school together. Good. Sabi ng ibon, madayaw. Because that's how we greet here. Mabuhay o madayaw. Pero hindi ka nagpakilala sa sarili mo. Kindly introduce first your name to your classmates. So makinig tayo. What's your name? on, don't be shy. Mama. Anyone, can you tell me ano daw pangalan niya? Ayaw naman pala, medyo delayed. Pero that's okay. Bumati pa rin siya ng happy birthday po sa inyo, okay? Very good. But hindi pa tayo tapos, no? Kasi I have here another bird na si Nigel naman po. Sulfur-crested cockatoo kasi may gagawin din siya para sa ating mga birthday celebrants. So, anong gagawin ni Nigel? Singing dance. Sing and dance yung gagawin ni Nigel. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Sige, music please. One more time, one more time. Ayun, very good. There goes Kapitan. Si Kapitan po ay isang Philippine Hawk Eagle. Now, not the Philippine Eagle ha. Hindi yung mga monkey-ting eagle kasi magkaiba po sila. They're different. Kasi alam niyo po, yung mga Philippine Eagle, their wingspan reaches 7 to 8 feet. No, ganun po kahaba. Pero pansinin naman po itong si Kapitan. Napakaliit lang. Right? But because of their facial feature, because of their color, madalas, pag lumilipad po sila Kapitan in the Philippine forest, napagkakamalan po silang mga Philippine Eagle. Now, since our topic is about bird diet, kung napapansin nyo, may kinakain si Kapitan. And what they eat are actually meat. Karne. No, it could be rabbit, fish, lizard, snakes, or even the small birds. So, yun po yung kinakain nila or hinahunt nila in the wild. Now, since they eat meat, ang tawag po natin sa kanila ay raptor. Our Philippine Hawk Eagle. Now, I mentioned about raptors kasi we have two kinds of raptors. Number one, we have a diurnal raptor. Ito po yung mga aktibo sa umaga. Kagaya po ni Kapitan. Meron din po tayong mga aktibo sa gabi and we call them nocturnal raptors. Now, can you give me an example of a very famous nocturnal raptor? An owl, correct. I have an owl over there? There goes Brian, our Philippine eagle owl, a Philippine endemic bird. Ibig kong sabihin, dito lang po sa Pilipinas makikita. Now, I'd like to explain first, yung paglipad po ni Brian from the window all the way down here, we actually call it a silent flight. Why silent flight? It's because of their fine set of feathers. It has the ability to absorb sound. So no matter how hard they flap their wings, so just like that, they're barely making any sound. Halos walang ingay po silang nagagawa. So that makes them very effective hunters, especially during night time. Kasi nga nocturnal raptors sila. Hindi alam ng mga prey nila na kung nasa likuran na pala yung mga owls. Okay? Very good. Now at this point, I'm going to bring out more of our owls so that later on we can compare them. Alright? So after po kay Brian, I'm going to call naman po si Noah. Come on out, Noah! Noah should be coming from my back. Yan. Hawak po ng ating animal technician ay si Noah, a common grass owl. Now usually, itong mga common grass owls, madalas nyo pong makikita sa lowland areas. Okay? Very good. Now for our third owl, I'm going to bring out naman si Ina. Come on out, Ina! Yan, hawak po ng ating animal technician ay si Ina, an Everett Scops owl. Now, I'd like to share about these owl. Itong si Ina, we just recently rescued this bird. No, kasi yung baby pa talaga siya, nahulog po siya up in the tree. And wala na po, hindi na po naman makita yung parents niya, so we had to take care of this bird. Okay? There we go. So we have 3 owls already. We have Brian, Ina, and of course Noah on my far left. Alright? Now, I'd like to share more about owls. Ayan, there goes Terry. Si Terry po ay isang Mindanao Tarictic Hornbill. Ang Mindanao endemic bird. Ibig sabihin, dito lang po sa atin sa Mindanao, makikita. Now, if you're visiting from Luzon, Maybe you're from Visayas or from other countries. You're very fortunate. You did a good job. Thank you so much, Justine. Alright, very good. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat, ma'am. You may now take your seat. Very good. Thank you so much for helping us this morning. Alright, we're not done with horn. Alright, na kung kanina si Terry ay isang Mindanao Tariktik Hornbill, eto naman pong si Bingo ay isang Rufus Hornbill. Now, alam niyo ba sa Tagalog at saka sa Bisaya, ang tawag po sa kanila ay kalaw. Now, here in...
O di nabubulok. Good job, Red. Now, on this side naman, may nakitang dahon si Red. Si Red, is that biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Ayan, very good. Now, everybody, according to Teacher Red, ang dahon daw po ay biodegradable o nabubulok. That's it for Teacher Red this morning. Can everybody please say bye, Teacher Red?
Ha? Buaya? Dago na siya.
A few moments later.
So karon mga kalangganan nami sa Philippine Eagle. After sa Balagos Garden, nagbaon na po mi sa Philippine Eagle mga kalangga.